Hi everyone, my name is Abhinav Raparia. I'm a qualified CA, CPA, MBA. I hold almost 15 years of experience working with various corporate consulting firm, private equity. Currently, I run my own angel investing firm. Besides my corporate career, I've been very actively involved on the academic sides, taking sessions for the US CPA, CMA, enrolled agent, business taxation, and various management and business courses. So that's a brief introduction about myself. We'll start the session with a quick round of introduction so that I get to know you. In case you are having any questions about me, or if you are having any questions around the CMA, I'll take it up. All of Okay, so we can briefly divide the conversation, the entire introduction in your name, your education, where are you currently working, do you have any work experience, have you taken any of the classes with us, maybe part one or part two, or maybe somewhere else you have taken the classes, so that I just get to know that how much journey have you covered in the CMA, and lastly, if you can share your passion. All right. So we'll start. I'll let you unmute your mic one by one, everyone. Let me just plug in my earphones so that I can hear you. Yes, I think it should be okay. Can you guys one by one, can you please introduce yourself? Aman, can you please introduce yourself?
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. This side Aman Rawat. I completed my graduation in BCom from Delhi University, and I'm pursuing MCom from IGNOU. And
So
I'm working in a stock market company in a finance and accounts department, and I have a 1 year experience.
oh,
And it is my first connection with the US CMA course from VG Learning, and I have a passion in cricket, anything which gives me good vibe.
perfect.
Thank you.
Thank you, Aman.
Thank you, sir.
Shyam. Shyam, can you unmute your mic and introduce?
Hello, sir. My name is Shah. As I am pursuing BCom from LU, and it's my third year, and I am pursuing USCMA for my further studies.
Have you taken the classes, Shyam, earlier with us or anywhere
No,
else?
sir. I
This
am
is the first.
pursuing. No.
No. No.
Yes.
So, thank you, Shyam. Mamta, Mamta.
Hello, everyone. My name is Mamta, and I have done my post-graduation in finance. I have 2+ years of experience in FP&A at Deloitte, and I want to grow my career, so decided on pursuing US CMA further. And I have not taken any previous classes as such, but I joined with VGLD around when there were other classes that were going on part one, so it was almost in mid, it was like part one had already completed like 12 lectures, so I did not go with those classes, but I actually started preparing for the CMA, watching the videos here and there, and self reading. But yes, I wanted to go through the classes from the beginning, so I chose to start it from now.
Any passion from you want to share?
Passion, I would say, usually other than work and studies, I love doing painting and being a makeup artist.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
Yeah.
Roy.
Hi, good morning, everyone. Actually, currently I'm in UAE. Actually, I did my BCom in 1993, and since 29 years I'm in UAE. I'm working as an accountant. I've got 29 years of experience here in UAE in the accounts field. Basically, I wanted to do this maybe 15 years back. I was always thinking to do the CMA to add an addition, additional degree to my this, but for some reason I could not join. So anyway, I thought it's never too late to learn. So I I'm joining now this session. And passion, cricket, traveling, these are my passion.
Uh, you understand English and Hindi, right? So there is no problem in that.
No problems. English,
Okay.
Hindi, everything, yes.
Okay, okay. So just guys, if you guys have any preference or if you have anything, let me know. Okay, I can
Sure.
speak English, Hindi, and
Yeah,
Italian
yeah,
bit
fine.
of it. Okay, so okay, perfect. Sophia. Sophia, can you unmute your mic and introduce if you have a mic?
Hello everyone, my name is Sophia Fatima. I'm pursuing BCom
So your
honors
voice
from
is breaking.
Sure, Sham. Yeah,
my-
go ahead. Go.
I'm pursuing BCom honors from Calcutta University and do not have any prior experience. And
Have you taken the classes earlier, Sophia?
no, I haven't taken any classes earlier. Neither watched those recorded videos. And besides studies, I have a passion for music and traveling. Thank
Okay.
you.
Thank you. Vishal.
Hey everyone, Vishal Gyand on this side. I am a qualified chartered accountant BCom graduate. I was working with KPMG, but my last working day here was on 29th of August. So now I have started doing my own practice, and I have not taken any previous class. I am just a newbie to CMA. So looking forward to get qualified in the next 6 or 9 months. That is my plan. And I am passionate about cricket, badminton, and regularly doing exercise. So that is a brief about myself. Thank you.
Thank you, Vishal. Anyone whom I have missed, guys, feel free to introduce. Perfect. So we'll move, guys. Just allow me. Is audio okay? I've just changed my mic, so I hope the audio is okay. So this is what we are going to cover, everyone. This is the basic ground we are going to cover. After that, if you have any questions about the CMA or any other thing in general, I'll be more than happy to take them. Yeah, I'll cover the basics about the CMA, everyone. I'll talk about the process, what curriculum we are providing. So all of it I'm going to discuss. Is there any particular eligibility criteria? Since you have already enrolled about in the CMA, you are already aware about this. There's no specific educational criteria or the credits we are looking in this case. It's not like a CPA where you are supposed to have a certain kind of a credits in that case. No, there's no criteria. Even if you are pursuing the graduation, you know that so well, you can actually do your CMA also along with that. So once you are enrolling that in the CMA, you have to clear 2 parts, everyone. You have to have the 2 years experience before you get the membership of the IMA. IMA is the institute which is going to provide you the qualification of the CMA. So today we are going to focus in more about the academics of it, everyone, how we are going to actually prepare, how we are going to conduct the classes, what material we are going to provide. So all of it we are going to discuss this today. Exam pattern, everyone, it is going to be 4-hour exam, everyone. First 3 hours is going to be MCQs and last 1 hour is going to be essay writing, everyone. Is that necessary that I'll write part 1 first and the part 2? Absolutely not. You can write in any order. You will not find the connection also in both the parts. Many people prefer writing part 2 first, then the part 1, because part 1 is relatively lengthier in that case. So it's absolutely your relative choice. It's absolutely your choice in that case. There's no compulsion that you have to write part 1 and part 2 in that case. There are 70%, 75% is going to be MCQs, everyone. And the balance 1 hour, which you are going to write, you will have a essay writing, which is 25%. Is there any negative marking in the MCQs? No, there is absolutely no negative marking in your MCQs. Hence, we strongly suggest you to attempt all the MCQs. Even if you're not sure about the MCQs, do your guesswork, but at least write and attempt all the questions. So that's the pattern, everyone, as I discussed. First 3 hours is going to be the MCQs, everyone. So we will have 100 MCQs, everyone, and you will have no negative markings. Once you have the MCQ, they will route you to the essays, everyone, within the last 1 hour, everyone, and then you will have two questions in the essay writing. This is the basic course, everyone. Part 1 is going to be FP&A, everyone. That's going to be part 1. And that's going to be part 2 for you, which is strategic financial management. So broadly, if I tell you, external financial reporting, everyone, which is going to be more about the accounts for you, everyone. Then it is a planning, budgeting, and forecasting, performance management, everyone, cost management, internal control, technology, and analytics, everyone. Barring these two, everyone, these are going to be a little theoretical because internal controls you can understand. What are the controls you need in the particular organization. Technology can be sometimes a little theoretical also because you need to understand what is basically router, what is the networking in that case. So these are the 2 points which is relatively theoretical, but rest of the points, rest of the 4 chapters, everyone, very interesting, very interesting topics in that case. Very practical, everyone. Similarly, here, everyone, financial statement obviously is going to be practical, corporate finance, decision analysis, risk management, investment decisions. All of it is going to be practical, everyone, barring the professional ethics. Since you can understand, once you become CMA, what are the things expected from you? What are the requirements you have to fulfill in that case? The duties you have to fulfill in that case. It's with every professional, whether you are a CA member, ICI member, or you are a CFA member, CS member. So you are supposed to fulfill few ethics conditions in that case. Similarly, we are having the ethics in the part 2. So that's a broad overview of the course, everyone. Don't worry about this. We'll take almost 6 months to finish these 2 parts itself. So don't worry about it. Don't get overwhelmed by that. Okay. So if I just talk about the breakup of that, everyone, external reporting is going to be part 1, everyone, is going to be 15%, planning and budgeting 20%, performance 20, 15, 15, 15. So it's a broad breakup of that, everyone. As we are going to progress in our course, we are going to discuss everything in much more detail. Right now, it's just a percentage breakup of it. So whatever is the percentage breakup of each topic is this for part 1. And similarly, it is going to be for the part 2. So if you see, guys, if you see here, pretty much equal weightage has been given to almost all the subjects. So it's not a very lopsided exam. That means it's not like that if I'm choosing 3 topics and I'm leaving the rest of the 3, I can clear the examination. You have to pay attention on everything because you can't choose 3 topics and leave the rest of it and clear the exam. You have to be very good in all the topics. Same with the part 2, everyone. Now, I'll cover a few questions, everyone. What is the passing percentage, everyone? What is the passing percentage, guys? So it's a 500 in this case. How much you're supposed to score if you've done the research? We're supposed to score in this case 360, everyone. Okay. That we are supposed to score 360 in that case, everyone. I'll cover few frequently asked questions, guys. If you have any questions after that, I'll take up that. First, I always get the maximum question which I get, which part should I start? Should I start with part 1? Should I start with the part 2? It's a very subjective thing. Honestly speaking, it's a very subjective thing. I think it depends totally how much time you are having in your hand, where you are having more comfort, everyone. I think you should start any part where you're getting more comfort. How to know where I'm having the more comfort? Go through the material, right? Go through the material. You got the book for the part 1, part 2. If not, you can get online also easily. You can see the portal also. And where you're getting more comfort, right? Because sometimes first time when you're writing the exams, you're not sure how the environment of the CMA exam is going to look like. So start where you're getting more comfort in that case. That would be my advice. And once you're done with that exam, obviously you can write the other exams. So I suggest where you're getting more time, everyone, where you are having a better understanding, where you are having more comfort, start with that part, everyone. It could be anything. It could be part 2 also. It could be part 1 also. There is no connection in that case, everyone. So you can write individually. You can write individually. It does not matter which part you are writing. Testing window. What is the testing window for that? January, February, 3 testing window, everyone. January, February, May, June, and it is going to be September, October. You can write in any window in this case. So coming window is going to be January, February, everyone. So if you're targeting your exams, it's going to be a good time for you to finish that. December is something we are looking to finish our batch. So it's good for you. You finish your batch, take a month's break and write your exam, so that at least you're done with that part itself. You're not just doing the classes and not writing the exams. We are finishing the batch, take the class, take the break for a month, do your self-study, and then done with that. Finish the subject itself. When do we expect the results, everyone? So generally, normally it's take almost 6 to 7 weeks to get the results. So if you have written the exams in January, everyone, you get the results by March. So February, April. So it's generally the 7 to 8 weeks gap is there in this case. So if you're planning to write your exams in the January, February, most likely you're going to get the results by March and April. So that it's good for the person who will get to know about this. If someone unfortunately gave the exams and you got to know about the March, April, you can prepare and write your exams in the next window also. So that's why the gap is there. That's why the gap is there. Passing score, we have already discussed, everyone. You're supposed to score 360 out of the entire 500 in this case. Overall passing percentage is going to be approximately 45%, everyone. Honestly speaking, 45% is a very good number. If you see what is 45% means, that out of 2 people, 1 person is almost clearing that exams, right? When we say people are writing the exams, we have to see how many other serious candidates who are writing the exams. So you will not say 100% are going to be serious. So if you're seriously attempting, chances of you clearing is much more than the 45%, everyone. So that's why it's not a very complicated, everyone, but you have to have the conceptual clarity. You have to have a proper practice in that case. Only then it is going to be a good thing. Consistency, practice, and the conceptual clarity is going to be something which is the key in this case. So 45%, trust me, it's a very, very good number. That means almost out of the 2, 1% is clearing the exam. So it's a great number. Is it like a group system the way we are having in the CA, guys? That means out of that one group, you have to clear the 4 subjects or 3 subjects in that case? No, it's not. If someone passed the part 1, but unfortunately fails the second part, everyone, the person just need to give the part 2 itself. The person does not need to give both the parts in that case. So it's no. Okay. The moment you pass your exams, everyone, generally the validity for the same is going to be, sorry, it's just, the validity in this case is going to be for 3 years. It is something which is going to be valid for you, right? So you're supposed to clear the rest of the part, or rest of the second part, everyone, within 36 months, everyone. So it is something which is going to be valid for you for a period of 36 months. But I don't suggest you to look that long window also, everyone. Target that within the span of 6 to 9 months, I'm going to clear this. Because what will happen, guys, when you join the classes, when you join any course also, your enthusiasm is very high. But when you're doing the classes, life happens, so many things happens in your job also, then your momentum takes a dip in that way. So keep a target that first I'm going to write my exams maybe in January, February, or March, April, or after that, May, June. And then try to finish it. Have the picture, a clear picture in your mind that I'm going to write exams like this. Otherwise, what happens, the major challenge in such an exam is everything is in your hand, right? So you can write the exams in January, February, you can write exams in May and June also, you can write after that also. And it's a human mind. Human mind keeps on pushing it, everyone. We just want to push it at the later stage in that case. Please don't do that. Please don't do that, because you are just going to, it is just going to be disadvantageous for you. If we are having a Parkinson law, if you are aware about this, that says the work spent with the time, right? The work expend to fill the time in this case. What does that mean? If I give you anything, like if I give you the target that finish your CMA within the span of 9 months or 6 months in that case, else I'm going to kill you, then definitely you are going to do 6 to 9 months. On the contrary, if I give you, let's say 1 year, you will take 1 year. If I give you 2 years, you will take 2 years. That's how our human mind works. So keep a pressure on you guys that I am going to work and I'm going to finish within 6 to 9 months. Keep that pressure on you. Obviously, it's not a bad pressure, it's a good pressure, because then you will not be wasting your time. You'll be more focused on your studies in that case. Keep that healthy pressure on you so that you're not wasting your time and you're actually writing the exam ASAP in that case. So don't said for a long time, we will see, let the batch happen. We'll see when to write the exams. Don't do that, right? Make your plan that batch is going to be done by December. Then I'm going to write my exams, maybe January, February. Then I'm going to do the second classes, which is a part 2, and I'm going to write my exams. Finish. End of story. It's not like you're just doing the classes, and not writing the exam. It is not going to be helpful for you. Okay. Then I generally get the question, should I make the self note or the backer book is sufficient? I think self note, what you're making is going to be very helpful. In the classes, guys, I'm going to provide you with a lot of charts and the graphs also. So that's how I generally teach also everyone. I read. So first I'm going to discuss the conceptual clarity with you. Whatever is the concept, I'm going to write the short notes for you. So you guys can copy those short notes, everyone. And then I'm going to read with you the backer book also. So that you have the book with you, so that you will get friendly with the book also. So that entire circle is going to be finished. And then lastly, I'm going to do a few MCQ questions with you also. So everything is covered. First, concept clarity. Then we will write the notes, everyone. Then we are going to read the backer book. And then we are going to practice MCQs and the essays, everyone. So our entire cycle is going to be finished. So that's why, everyone, I'll try to finish and make as short notes as possible for you, because it's just not possible for you to read a day before the exams. It's not possible for you to read 800 pages of your book, or 600 pages in your books. In that case, it's just not possible in that case. So we'll try to condense our notes as much as possible, everyone. So for that, everyone, I have a suggestion. We are going to start the next weekend, everyone. Please make a register where you can write all your notes, whatever the notes we are going to discuss in the class, so that you can make all your notes in that register itself, everyone. You can take the screenshots of whatever we are going to make the notes. You can take the screenshot also. It's absolutely your wish in that case. But I think register is going to be something which is very helpful, because screenshots can be here and there. Then every time you have to see the screenshots in that case. Register is something when you are having the hard copy, when you're writing from your own hand, your memory, muscle memory goes much better with that. It is going to retain by you much better in this case. So please follow that. It would be very, very helpful for you, right? Otherwise, if you want to take the screenshots also, take the screenshots, whatever the notes I'm sharing with you. But do one thing, make a discipline of the screenshots. What does that mean? That means if you're taking the screenshot, make sure that you are making the file number properly. It's very well maintained in that case, so that tomorrow, if you need to retrieve that, let's say I want to see the decision analysis, I want to see this particular topic. So everything is very well documented, then you can see it easily also in that case. So whatever way you want to do it, please do that, everyone. But plus, please do that, guys, because that's my whole intention in the classes, to provide you as much notes is there, right? That's why you're doing the classes, so that your burden is going to be reduced. Otherwise, you can do your self-study also. You can use the YouTube videos also. So that my intention is always there, so that I can reduce your burden. I can provide you more short notes as much as possible, and the conceptual clarity. That's what we are looking for. But please just don't keep watching the video, right? Make your notes. This is going to be helpful. For these videos, what we are going to have it, you will get the access of that videos also in the form of a recordings also. Don't think that I will see the recording and then I will make the notes. Trust me, that later never comes. That later never comes. Make your notes in the classes itself, so that later on you are just practicing things, right? Later on, you're not making the notes. Make the notes in the classes, take the screenshots in the classes, make the notes in the register. Whatever you want to do it in the classes itself. Later is just for your practice and the revision. Is that okay? Does that make sense, everyone? Yes, should I move? Now, we are having a WhatsApp group, everyone's single point of contact. If you have any questions regarding the academics, regarding any admin also, maybe your portal is not working, in that case, all your queries, you are going to post it on the WhatsApp group itself, everyone. We are going to share all the class links in that also. Everything we are going to put in there, so you can be rest assured in that. Before I talk about the backer software, guys, I'm just going to discuss quickly what you will get the access in that way. Okay, till now, do we have any questions, guys? Feel free to ask, guys. Any questions? No? what all you will get when you are going to register, what you will get it. I'm just telling you so that if you have not received it, be in touch with the VGLD team. They are going to provide it, everyone. First of all, you will get the books. Books from the backer. Shorendu, you want to say something? Go ahead. Do you have any question, Hindu? You have raised your hand. First, everyone, you are going to get your books from the backer, right? So you will get two books, part 1 and part 2. Have you got the books, guys? So Hindu, let me just finish this. I'll unmute you. Have you got both the books, guys? Everyone got it? You may ask and get both the books also, everyone. You can get both the books also, or you can ask one by one also. It's your wish, absolutely your wish. So if you have not taken both the books, if you can ask them that you will get, I just want to take one book, you can take that one book also in that case. Like, it's absolutely your wish that I want to take the first book. So if Vishal, if you have not received it, try to get, because we are going to start part 1. And if you are planning to write part 1, get the book for the part 1 itself. Okay, so you can get the books, everyone. I think you get part by part, rather than taking both the books, everyone. Take part by part. If you're planning to write, let's say part 1, everyone, take the book for the part 1, so that in case there are any changes, in case there are amendment, you will have a latest book itself. Okay. So get your books, everyone. We are going to start the part 1. So please get the book, everyone, so that I'll ask you to write few notes on the books also. I'll show you and mark the points on the books also. So if you are having the hard copy of the books, it's going to be much easier. I will ask you to read many things from the book also. So you will have it. No, Vishal, we will not have it simultaneously, both the classes. It would not be helpful also. You can't do both the classes also together also. Wouldn't be helpful for you also, because you won't be getting time to prepare for that also. We'll have part by part. Okay. So first you will get the books, everyone. Classes, everyone. Classes, everyone. We will have a live classes, everyone, which will happen Saturday, Sunday, which will happen from 6 to 10:30, everyone. So we will have a live classes from Saturday, Sunday, 6 to 10:30. No, we will start from the coming Saturday. Today is just the orientation. Okay. So live classes will start from next Saturday, everyone, which will be from 6 to 10:30 itself. In case you can't attend this, can we see the recordings? Yes, the recording shall be available to you guys on your LMS. Have you got the access of 88 learnings? If you have not received it, everyone, please get this. So whatever the classes we are going to do on the Saturday, Sunday, if you have not seen it, everyone, those classes will be uploaded within a span of 48 hours. Within the span of 48 hours, those will be updated. So in case you miss any of the classes, everyone. So for example, everyone, let's say any Saturday, Sunday, if you could not do the classes, everyone, the classes will be available in this week, everyone. I strongly suggest everyone, if you have not done any classes, please see the recordings. Please see the recordings before you come to the next class, everyone. Because that's how I teach, that's how I train everyone. I try to link everything so that otherwise, if every time it is going to be fresh topic, it is going to be complicated for you to remember it. So if you have seen the recordings, you will understand the concepts much better, right? Because many things are going to be related in that case. So even if you're missing any of the live classes, that's okay. You can see the recordings, but it is always advisable to see the recordings and then come to the classes. Okay. Sure, Sophia. So you can see that also, Sophia, or we are going to conduct the live classes. You can see that also. So those recordings are also going to be available with you. So whatever the classes I'm going to take, it will be available to you also. Okay, so okay. So they will add in your portal if you have this. Yes, Mamta. Okay. Guys, you might have the classes, and I'll just discuss that also. Guys, you might have the classes of the other faculty also, or maybe the backer also. You might have the access of the backer also, and the other videos which you are having. Please don't do that. Please don't see any of this. Should I prepare? Should I read anything from the backer before that? No, nothing. Come relaxed, come feel free, nothing. You don't need to do anything before the classes, everyone. Because when you coming by watching any video, backer video, reading anything, guys, you're coming with the preconceived notion. When you're coming with the preconceived notion, you're already coming with the colored canvas. I cannot paint your canvas. So come clean, come with a blank canvas, everyone. Let me just paint that, everyone, because if you're coming with the colored canvas, I just cannot put our new things in that case. So come clean. You don't need to prepare anything. But I strongly suggest once you are done with that classes, once you're done with the classes, everyone. For example, next weekend you are going to done with the classes. I discussed the Mamta's point also. You have done the classes with us, with me on Saturday and Sunday. Whatever the classes you have done it, you will get the full 1 week, everyone. Please revise whatever we have done it, everyone. Please practice your MCQs, everyone. Please practice your essays in that class. Whatever we have done it, you just need to revise that. That's it, what you need to do, guys. Is that okay? Mamta, is that okay? You don't need to see any backer lecture. You don't need to see any faculty's other lecture. In that case, nothing you have to do it, guys. Just be attentive in the classes and just practice. That's all. And even the practice, I'll tell you what needs to be done. Initially, maybe you will not be able to practice all the questions. So most of my intention would be that in the classes, I'll try to finish almost 60 to 70% MCQs in the classes itself. So at least that practice work would also be reduced for you, right? So I'll try to finish that also. Will you provide the MCQs for the weekend revision? So Aman, we'll try to do, I'm going to do the MCQ, I'm going to do the concept with you. We will read from the backer, and in the class only I'll try to finish all the MCQs also. So just whatever I have done, Aman, on the weekend, you just need to see that. You just need to read on your own. That's it. Okay, that's good, Mamta. Let's try to do and finish everything within the batch. At least one round of revision I want you to guys have it. Okay, so guys, you should plan like this. For example, our classes would be till maybe December end, December or January first week, we'll have the classes, everyone. Please, your intention should be that at least one round of revision, you are doing it on your own. That's what the goal should be, everyone. One, I am doing with you. That is not the revision. That is just not the revision. I'm going to do one thing with you. That is not the revision. This is the first time you're doing it. I'm saying one round of a revision you should do on your own by the time the batch is over. Because then you will be in a very good situation, guys, because you have done at least once with me. Then you have done the revision on your own. You have practiced all the MCQ simulation, everything. After that, you just need to take a break of 20 days, everyone, for your further self-study, and then you can write your exams. It's going to be much efficient, everyone. This is going to be much consistent. But the problem, I tell you where the problem will happen in this case. Consistency is a problem. Consistency is going to be much problem. People can't revise on their own. People can't. I'm telling you, do the classes on Saturday and Sunday, and people don't revise on the weekdays, everyone. So many festivals will come. Diwali will come. Dussehra will come. So many festivals will keep on coming in that case, and you're going to miss that, everyone. So don't do that, guys. Make it consistency that whatever we have done on the weekends, everyone, that you are going to revise on the weekday. Trust me, by the time the batch is going to be done, if you're continuously revising it, everyone, you will be in a much better position, everyone. Otherwise, the same thing will happen. You are just watching the classes, everyone. By the time the batch is over, it will feel like that you have not done anything because you have actually not done anything. So please keep revising the moment we are doing it. Okay. So the revision will be what we are doing in the weekdays after the classes. Correct, Mantha? Whatever I have done on the weekend, you have to just revise that. That's all. Okay. You don't need to see any other video. You don't have to see any other backer video or anyone's else video in that. Is that okay? Fatima, is that okay? That's why I'm saying you are having a full-fledged 1 week, guys. I just discussed that point, Fatima. I am going to take the live classes, which is going to be on Saturday, Sunday, 6 to 10:30, Fatima. Okay. And the recording shall be available to you within 48 hours, Fatima, on your LMS, which is 88 Learnings. Okay. So don't read anything before that. So next weekend we are going to start, you'll be fine. No, Aman. By December, we will be done with the, by December, or maybe January first week, we are going to done with part 1. Okay. Should I move, guys? No. Any questions before I just move? No. So what you're going to do? You are going to get the book, everyone. As I discussed, you will get the book, everyone. I'm just telling you so that in case any of the things you don't have it, please get it. Right? You're having a full one week. Get it. Part 1 book, everyone, and part 2 book. Right now we are starting with the part 1. So if you don't have the part 1 book, please get the part 1 book. Second, everyone, as I discussed, live classes link, everyone. We are going to conduct our classes on the Zoom, everyone. So how would you get the links? We are having a WhatsApp group, everyone. We are having a WhatsApp group. On that WhatsApp group, everyone, every Saturday, Sunday, everyone, you are going to get your link. So by Friday, you will get the link for the weekend itself, everyone. Okay, this is only for you, so do not circulate to someone else in that case. Then this is going to be a problem for you at the later stage with the team. So just keep it to yourself only, and this is only for you to attend that. When you're attending the classes, everyone, always change your Zoom name to your full name, as the IT team will not keep you in that case. That's what we discussed, Aman. Where is the confusion? Classes will happen, Aman, on the Saturday and Sunday, and the recording shall be available to you on the portal after 48 hours. Recording the same live classes, what we are doing, in case you miss, it shall be available, recording of that shall be available on the LMS. Is that okay, Aman? Yeah, live would be on Zoom. Live would be on Zoom, for which, where would you get the link, Aman? On the WhatsApp. On the WhatsApp, you will get the link for the Zoom. And the, in case no one can do it, or in case you want to see the classes again, right? How will you see it? On the LMS, everyone. Is that okay, everyone? Third thing, everyone. Third thing is your backer. Third thing is your backer portal access, everyone. Where would you practice in that case? For which, everyone, you will get the backer portal access, everyone. Have you got the backer portal access? So that's how the backer portal looks like to you, everyone. So that's how it is going to be this. As we are going to progress, I'm going to discuss it, everyone, how you're going to use the portal. I'll discuss all about the portal itself. Should we start practicing now itself, since we are so much excited about the classes? Nothing. You have to do nothing right now. Don't worry about this, right? Don't worry. Try to fix it. Even if you are not having it, even if you're not having for a couple of days, that's okay. Because I'll do the classes, I'll do the MCQs with you. So for a couple of classes, maybe 4 or 5 classes, you don't have to worry about this. You don't have to see anything. Just read with me. Just practice. That's all. Just read with me and revise. That's all you have to do. But I'm just telling you so that by the time you will have a lot of time to arrange that. So you will get the book. You will get the access of the link, everyone. If you're not attending, LMS videos would be available, and the backer portal is something you need. In addition to that, guys, I told you, please maintain a register. Please maintain a register in that case. Please maintain a register where whatever the notes I'm sharing with you, like the way I'm writing here, I keep writing the notes also. So please make the register, everyone, where you can write the notes, everyone, or take the screenshot. If you want to take the screenshot, please take that. So that is going to be something which we are going to have it. It won't be provided on the LMS or something. So please take the screenshots of any item in that case. Is that okay, everyone? Sure. So they will help you out, Aman, with that. Okay. How the backer portal looks like, how to see MCQs in that case, don't worry about this. Nothing you have to do it now. I'm going to discuss it in the classes itself. In fact, I will do many questions with you in that case. So you will learn how to do that itself. Right now, just chill for 1 week, just relax. But arrange all the things, whatever I'm saying it. Okay. Backer advantage we discussed. It is the 2-part review, everyone. You will get the 3000 plus MCQs, everyone. Flashcards also, you are going to get this, everyone. 70 essay questions, you will get that also. Okay, do we have any questions, guys? Feel free to ask. Anyone? Most of you, when are you planning to write your exams? Do you have any timeline in your mind for part 1? Where? So guys, if your target, everyone's target is January, February. So please keep revising. Keep revising. Trust me, then it is going to be very fruitful for you. Then it is going to be, your classes are actually going to be worth it when you're actually revising it. Trust me, right now your enthu is very high. Right now your enthu is very high, and trust me, you feel like that I'm going to kill it. I'm just going to be the king or the queen of the world in that case. But gradually the enthu kills. Enthu goes down in that case. It's a normal human psyche in that case. Maintain that momentum. Simple discipline you have to create in that case. Whatever you are doing with me on the weekends, you just need to revise that. That's it. Consistency is the toughest thing, everyone. Consistency is the toughest thing. Right now, obviously, it looks like very easy, but trust me, it's just going to completely fizzle out in that case. So don't let it happen, everyone. Target should be, by the time the batch is over, at least you have done 1 or 2 rounds of revision, everyone. That's how should be the target. Rest, if some topic is complicated, you are not able to understand, that's my responsibility. I'm going to take care of that. You don't need to worry about this. Okay, so please be careful about this. Dubai, I'm not sure, Roy. You have to check. You have to check. You can check online. I think Dubai should be there. A lot of Prometric Center is there in the Dubai also. So you have to check. I think should be there. But still, it's better to check it. Any questions, guys? No? Okay, since we are having some time, everyone, and you don't have any questions. Sorry, Indu, you were asking some question. Do you have any questions? Since we are having some time, I'll take 10 minutes to discuss how the portal looks like, but you don't need to use the portal right now, okay? It's just for your understanding, that's all. You can see the portal later on also. So the moment you log in, everyone, your backup portal, everyone, that's how the portal is going to look like. So red, everything is going to orange rather. Is going to be part 1, everyone. When I'm going to click on the part 2 here, everyone, then everything is going to be purplish. Okay, so that's about the part 1 and that's about the part 2, everyone. Okay. These are the 6. What is the U1 you see in that case? There are total 6 chapters, everyone. There are total 6 chapters in our part 1, everyone. Okay, so if you see, that's what we have done in the presentation also, everyone. These are the 6, everyone. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We are having 6 chapters. Similarly, 6 chapters we are having in part 2, everyone. Similarly, these 6 are we are having here also. The moment I click on this, in every 6 chapter, we are having sub-chapter. We call it module, everyone. So chapter 6 main chapter, and then we are having the sub-chapters, or we call it modules, everyone. That's why M1, M2, M3, M4, M5, M6, M9. Is the point clear? What is M? Module M1. Let's say, everyone, I have done module 2 and I want to see the MCQs. I want to practice the MCQs, everyone. So you will start this, everyone. And once you start, they will ask you the 3 questions. Do you want to do all the questions in your topic? Do you want to do any kind of a marked question? So maybe when I have done the questions, I marked that particular question because I was not very comfortable with that. So you have marked those questions or any unanswered, everyone. So let's say, everyone, I start with begin MCQs. I want to do all the questions. So that's how the portal is going to look like, everyone. Do we need to practice? Nothing you need to do it now. Let's say according to the FASB and the ISB, what is going to be the user in that case? Okay. I have seen this question and let's say I am not aware what is the answer of it. I just don't know what is the answer of it. So I can say any guesswork. The moment it turns red, everyone, that means I have done wrong answer in that case. The moment it turns red, that means I have given the wrong answer. Answers are mentioned below, everyone. So B is the wrong answer. What answer should be? D. Regulators should be the correct answer. Good part about the backer is, everyone, they will give you the answer for everything. That why A is not the answer, B is not the answer, C is not the answer, and why D is the answer. So everything you will find it here, everyone. Okay. I've done this wrong question. I want to practice this question next time. So I'm going to mark this question, everyone. I'm going to flag this question. If you see here, 1, can you see any flag on the 1? Is it legible, guys? If you see, there is no flag here. Is that okay? Is it visible, guys? So I have done this question wrong. So I'm going to flag this question, everyone. Now the flag has arrived here. If you see, flag has arrived here. Is that okay? What I'm saying? So like this, everyone, like this, you can mark, you have the modality of marking your question so that later on you can practice in that case. So I'm going to shut this now. I'm going to finish the test, everyone. Yes. When we are going to, I'll ask you to practice, then you will do that, Mamta. Okay. In fact, Mamta, as I discussed with you earlier also, I will do most of the MCQs with you in the classes itself. So maybe you may not need to do the practice again. Okay. So I have done that question wrong. Now I will start and now I will choose in that case. I want to check the marked question. Now I know what is the answer. Now I've done this. I've revised my concept and I know the regulators is the answer. So that's how the idea is not to choose the correct answer. Only the no idea is not to see the green color. The idea is obviously to revise the concept. Once you have done it, once you have revised anything again in that case, and you realize this is the problem, this is the area I'm facing the problem, and then you are going to practice again. Like this, guys, it's a simple portal. You guys can practice it. And as we are going to move forward, you guys can keep practicing also. Any questions, guys? In this concept videos, everyone, here the concept videos are there. Concept videos, when we are talking about, this is where it's not our videos which we are going to have it will not be. These are the videos which is recorded by the backer itself, everyone. Question comes, should we see that back video? It's your wish. I don't think it's absolutely necessary, right? It's necessary. In fact, you will find not, they're just reading everything. You may not find it helpful also. If you want to see it, it's absolutely your wish in that case, but I don't think it's necessary for you. If any concept, right? If in any concept you face a challenge, right? In any concept you feel that I'm not getting a very good clarity, then for this you can see the concept video. But I don't think you need to waste your time, double waste your time in seeing you're seeing our videos also, and then you're seeing the backer videos also. No point of wasting the time double in that case. Rather utilize this time for the purpose of your practices. All right. Okay. Indu, you were asking a question. What question you have? Are you around, Indu? You are asking a question. Do you have any question? No? Okay. Any other questions, guys, which I can answer if you have any doubt? No? Perfect. Then I'll call it a day, everyone. Please join timely, everyone. On Saturday, we are going to start a first class, everyone. Prepare with your register, everyone. Prepare, if you're making a register, that would be very helpful because then you can write your notes. Don't come prepared with anything, come fresh, and then we are going to take it. Okay. Thank you so much for your time, everyone. And I'll see you on the coming Saturday.